Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Confluent Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Confluent Cloud, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Confluent Cloud website. Look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Sign Up button to access the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email you have access to for verification purposes. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You may need to confirm your email address through a verification link sent to your inbox. Check your email for a message from Confluent Cloud and click the verification link. Once verified, return to the registration page. Now, fill in the required information like your name and company details. Create a strong password and ensure it meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in the information, review all details to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on the Create Account button to complete the registration process. You will then be directed to the Confluent Cloud dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with available features. Congratulations, your Confluent Cloud account is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.